So I got that ThredUp box and I literally have not listed anything. I suck. I am gonna try my best to put in a picture that has 4 items that I want to concentrate on because I think these have the best value. I just haven't been able to locate them. So if you can help me, please do. Now we're gonna go into my new ThredUp box. Thank you. Hi YouTube family, this is Nicole with Really Nicole Retail. I want to say happy holidays, happy new year. I know that a lot of you guys have made New Year's resolutions, and a lot of them have to do with the reselling business. So I'm sure by this time, everybody who's watching my video knows that I have a $50,000 net challenge that I have imposed upon myself. And I've gotten 3 to 4 people who have actually messaged me and told me that they're going to be following me and they want me to follow them on their journey because they have like goals. So that's exciting. It holds you accountable. Remember, my goal is to at least do a video a week. I slacked last week. I'm not going to even lie. Between Christmas and New Year's, and it was a lot. But I have enough content. I have enough boxes, and I also have a video that I'm going to do that I'm going to apply some of the things that some other reseller have suggested and just kind of see me applying it for a week and then seeing what the results are going to be. So I'm going to name the reseller. I'm going to link the video that I used, the video that I saw, and the suggestion that was made, and kind of see how it helped my reselling journey. And if not, why I think it didn't work. So I'm excited about that too. So I have a ThredUp box. Yay! And I don't remember exactly because I ordered this before Christmas, like even like right after Thanksgiving. And then I didn't have a chance. I didn't start my YouTube channel. So here we go. So this is a mix size rescue box, fun box, 20 items. Okay. So let's see what we got. It said fun. It's kind of, okay. All right, so this is a Hufflepuff Patience Dedicated Loyalty. I need this, but it's not in my size. And it actually is a 2-piece. And Harry Potter, Wizarding War. It says it's a extra small. So an extra small, they have 2 to 4. So I think this is for it's a little big for a kid, maybe juniors, not sure, but I'll do some research. Okay. Kind of fix that down. So then we have some men's Pro Top Glove Gold Metal Green. This is the ones where the fingers are out and you can use a cover. And it actually has a Velcro right there. Cool. Then we have, I'm gonna go with a bracelet, and it has the closure as such. Okay, this is kind of faux leather, I'm sure. Don't see any branding, so there you go. Then we have a Guess headband and handkerchief. So it shows you the different ways that you can use it. So got that. This scared me for a second. So here we go, it's this, okay? And it says tiasplace.com, has a new with tags, 15. And I'm sure it's just like one of the things that you put on your key. And that's it. On your purse. I've seen people have it on their purse too. Okay, so now I have a belt. And I don't know, this is the buckle. You can kind of see the embellishment in there. And I don't know. Don't see any markings, so I can't say it's leather. But we'll go with faux leather for right now. So right now we have a Earthbound Trading, and is this a headband? Let's see what it's made out of. Polyester. It says made in Italy, so don't know. Earthbound. I've seen Earthbound. Don't they have the shoes, like the comfort shoes? Earthbound. Okay. Anybody who knows, let me know. So now we have a pouch, and the pouch has I think this is Charming Charlie's. I think that's Charming Charlie's. It says hyperallergenic. They went out of business, so I'm pretty sure that's their logo. So it's just a necklace and a pair of earrings, gold tone and purple. Then we have earrings. I'm not gonna take them out here, but you can see these. They are here, okay? And I ordered me a magnifying glass too, because this jewelry thing is something, okay? So then we have a MZ Wallace coin purse that's dirty. Or is that glue? Not sure if you can see that. You see that at the corner? Okay. And it has a little like a ID or credit card pouch right here. It has an attachment that you can actually put it on. I've seen kids put it on their backpacks. Oh, I can see why they didn't take this. Look at this. It's gross like ketchup. We're going to put this over here. All right. So now we have eyeglass case. I want to say it's not Banana Republic. I don't know. So we look inside here. You're right. Banana Republic. The case is a little beat up. And inside you have some glasses, and you actually have the wipe as well, the Banana Republic. In the box, you can see where it has the Banana Republic inside. And I don't know, I'm not really oh, it's tight. I'm not really an eyeglass person. I don't know. But they are very tight, which means that they're not loose at all. Now, I don't see any scuffing or anything on the lenses or anything like that. So the glasses themselves, you can see the little branding as well. Now, some of the branding is, I don't know if it's off or is it just, anyway. So we got some Banana Republic. And you can see how the box is pretty beat up. All right, so we have a purse, okay? And it feels pretty soft. Let's see. This is the inside of it. You can see that. And the inside is pretty clean. There's no pockets or any compartments or anything like that, but I do see a label. So Barganza, genuine leather, made in India. Barganza. Let's see if I can kind of help right here. So if anybody is familiar with that, please, I told you guys, I need help. All right. So we got the goodie headbands, nothing to it. We know what those are for. And then we have another headband, okay? There's no markings or anything to it, and it has just the elastic at the back. We have a UGG sock, and I'm hoping, okay, here it goes. I was like, wait a minute. So yeah, we have a pair of UGG socks. Okay. Girl. Anyway. So then we have some hot socks. And it says hotsocks.com. But then I also see the little thing at the end too. So I think it probably was sold at Charming Charlie's. You see that? Yeah, I think that's their logo. So now we have some Banana Republic tights. We have the tag on it. Newer tags, $22.50. Okay. Black, medium, large tights. We have, ooh, I love this. So for my cat lovers, you see that? That's beautiful. Don't really give it justice. Let me take out the bag because I really want you to see this. So that is beautiful. And you have the back part here. It's intact. Okay, I see something in the back here too. OFCKR. Not sure what that is, but I will put it on sale hound and see what it do. So we have another pair of glasses. This is Fantasize. You see that? And it has some little rhinestone embellishments at the ends of it. Okay, so I will do a little research and see what these Fantasize is. And last but not least, this is large and it is fragrant, to say the least. So this is a, I don't know, like, hold on. I want to say blanket or, because it's no sleeves, but let's see. I see a tag. Whew. All right, so it says 100% cashmere. Okay, I'm loving that. And it's in, I don't know, night peel. You see this? Oh wait, hold on, let me get it right. So you see this and this. So I think it's a shawl, and it says Burlington Arcade, but it says made in England, London. So I'm thinking that it probably is one of those, and then you could do here and you could do here. So that's what it is. It's one of those. Don't know exactly what the official name should be, but 100% cashmere, I think, you know, I can do something with that. So I just want to do the invoice right quick and then I'm gonna let you go. So it says this is a mixed rescue box, fun box, 20 items. I paid $34. And let's count the items just to make sure. I'm sure it's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, no, that wasn't in there. And the one I said was a little dirty, 20. So 20 items. I definitely think I can get my money back. I need to look this up because being 100% cashmere is very, very soft. I'm almost like, wanting to keep it. But in Houston, there's no use for it. So, I like it. I like it. So, fun box. It was fun. So, once again, thank you guys. I don't want to keep you. I'm trying to keep the videos short, especially the unboxings around 15 minutes. So I'm like cutting real close. Please like and subscribe. Please, 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 please. Not too proud to beg. My Instagram is Really Nicole Retail. All of my information, I will do my best to do these links. You know that I am new. Don't judge me, help me. Put your comments, your suggestions. I will not be offended as long as it's what they call positive criticism, constructive criticism, suggestions in me being better. Remember, I'm a psychology major, just to quickly put this in here so it can help you with a life lesson today, is that when you want to point out someone's flaws, you should do it in a sandwich strategy. So you point out something that's great about them, point out the thing that you don't like, and then close with a positive and a solution. So you can say, hey, Nicole, I really like the fact that you are striving for that $50,000 net challenge. However, I think the background is kind of distracting, but I can see how if you put in the work, move the candlestick, put up whatever, then you're going to be great. So that's how you deal with conflict. That's how you deal with addressing something when you want to point out a flaw or need a change in someone. So that's a life lesson. It goes with a husband, children, best friend, a teacher. Trust me, a professor. But use the strategy, the sandwich strategy, and normally you get a better result. Well, that's it. So thank you very much and have a great day.